To utilize your Google Play balance, you can make various purchases through the Google Play Store, which can be accessed at store.google.com or play.google.com. When purchasing apps, games, or in-app content, simply open the Google Play Store, select the desired item, tap on the price, choose Google Play Balance as your payment method, and confirm the purchase by completing the instructions. A similar process applies to buying or renting movies, TV shows, or books. Navigate to the relevant section, select the title you want, tap on the price, and under the payment options, choose Google Play Balance to complete the transaction. For subscribing to services, open the Google Play Store, go to the app or service of interest, tap on the subscription option, ensure Google Play Balance is selected as the payment method, and finalize the subscription. Using your Google Play Balance is straightforward and can be applied to various digital purchases and subscriptions, making it a convenient option for managing your Google Play transactions.